In this video, we will explain three concepts: trim size, margins, and bleed, to help you format your interior file. Trim size is the industry term for the final size of your physical book, after it has been printed and cut down to its desired width and height. The most popular trim size on KDP is 6 by 9 inches. But you can choose your trim size based on the type of book you are creating. Children's books are usually larger than novels. For example, 8.5 by 11 inches or 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Your trim size is important because it not only determines the size of your book, but also the number of pages in your book. And some novels may be smaller, like 5 by 8 inches. Whatever trim size you choose, note that this will determine your page size for both your interior and cover file. Your trim size is important because it not only determines the size of your book, but also the number of pages in your book. On KDP, there are minimum and maximum page counts per trim size, which you can view on the Set Trim Size, Bleed, and Margins help page.